Nobody are breaking backs these days.
What? Where now? Who did it? Right now, I should be driving the O. Right now, I should be. Right now, I haven't even started yet. No, we got it. I should be on my way to San Francisco. What I used to listen to as a kid. Yeah, I'm older than all.
Oh, that's a sign of failure, really. That's a sign of failure, look.
Yeah, it's not really.
That's a sign of failure.
The next station is very particular.
Really?
Of course, you have to pull it on again.
I can't help it.
There used to be transit council who actually did the route.
Yeah.
Actually, the ETI was on the said cable car stop earlier. Yeah, and it actually had announcements. It said Davis and California. Yeah.
Oh yeah. No, the F-line, I guess they have announced it, but they don't have the interior sign or display.
Yeah, it says the old red sign that's the British used to have.
I thought you said BBC.
Oh God.
You don't know what that is.
Oh really? God.
When it comes on certain drop off home.
See that?
My favorite head song.
That's a diver.
My favorite destination code. Drop off home. Means I don't want to think about Am I a meme? That's all.
Well, I mean, to be fair,
Yeah, fair point. Fair point. Just wait to get to Columbus. That'll really pick up.
Oh yeah.
The hell is that? That? What is that? Hey, all you little nerds, what the hell is that? That!
Oh, that's the XN40. The XN40.
oh, gas bomb.
Yeah, like that's
Oh, it's a PresidioGo.
Yeah, they own one of those. Only one.
And they've also built their disaster.
Yeah. And they got some XHF still going. They got an XHF still going.
Why is it on day ride?
Because they don't care.
It should be on night ride.
Because they would go downtown. That's actually free to ride.
It has to be good at
It's actually free to ride.
Because it's day ride.
Oh god, it's always by immovable vehicle. It's on by MV.
Because it's daytime day ride. That's how those people make it. Some transit agencies probably allow day run in the daytime. I've never seen that thing. Jesus.
Yeah, it's
Jesus.
yeah. When fun fact: when the virus go off the ETI, they were making an alarming beat.
Guys. Why does that thing come with first gen headlights? How old is that thing?
I believe that's a 2016 or 2017.
Okay, I was about to say, why does it come with first gen headlights?
Have they had that this entire time, or is that like a
They put a new livery on it.
Oh, okay.
I got the one I got before when it was had the older livery on it.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad I did. And it seems to be running pretty good.
Just for the PresidioGo logo.
Yeah,
That's free.
yeah, that was just like a couple of years ago.
It goes to the Presidio. The Presidio, which is down near the Colgate Bridge.
I know that. What's the problem?
It operates pickup going this way, and drop off only going towards downtown.
Something that already also rather San Francisco. One of those, yeah. Yes, you are. Damn it. You know what I'm saying? Just that quick. Yes, he is.
We're up here 30 years.
I'm not sure. We're probably going to North Point in Venice.
Yeah, they did that last trip around. I think, last year they went to Chinatown, and for some reason they couldn't do that tour.
They must have screwed up then. They must have screwed up that switch back there.
Yeah, it was like very sensitive. People were like really slow. I guess it was like from the driver.
Yeah, that thing was probably doomed. That thing's probably doomed now because of that.
Don't you ever in flight call us a driver. We are operators. Call us drivers. Duck your hands.
It's been 10 years since the 60-foot ETIs. Why do nerds think they know more than us operators? Just asking.
What are you going to do when you encounter a nerd who's also an operator?
Ooh.
Like me in the future. What are you going to do then?
You gotta help me on this one, Alex. It's too late.
It's too late. I'm already getting an AC trainer. It's too late. You made me. You made me. This is your undoing. You made me get that CO. I wanted it. This is your undoing now. And this ain't no time suppressor.
Titan sources. We like the Titans. That Titan go. Boom.
Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah, we're going up the street.
Tell AC, tell AC, right at being that we have some too. Oh,
We're actually supposed to pass through Delhi Square.
Oh man, Michael, ETI alert over there. ETI alert. Oh, it's on the 33. Ashford 18th, Troops Doctor, Kansas 17th. It's on the 33.